Subscribe the channel Cartoon Edge. Hi friends, today we will learn farm animals. So let's start with goat. It is a mammal. Goat is a friendly animal. People used to eat its milk and meat. Its meat is very useful for us. We eat it with the full taste. Goats are very famous farm animals. They are very useful. Its sound is ba ba ba. Goats doesn't harm us. They always keep our surrounding healthier. They are very clean animal. They always live in a clean places and very useful for human beings. So they are human friendly animal. Now let's start with the horse. Horse is also a farm animal. It is very useful. People use it for riding. People like them very much. They are very beautiful in colors, like they are brown, white, and black in colors. They are, it is to be said that horses are very faithful animals, and people used to keep them in their farms. They run very fast and their sounds are neigh, neigh, neigh. I like horses very much. Yes, because horses are very friendly. Yes, it is a duck. It swims in water. It swims, swims, and swims. Wow, that is sheep. The sound of sheep is ba, ba. Cow is a mammal. Its sound is moo. It gave us meat and milk. It's a cat. People keep cats as a pets. They are very friendly animal and lives in their homes. Dog is very faithful animal. It used to bark, bark and bark all the day. Oh wow, it's rabbit. Rabbit used to eat carrot all the day. And I like it very much.